Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track button click using GTM and send it as a GA4 event. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get it started. So you can see over here, we'll be setting up the GA4 event for this website. So if I go to the contact us page, then if I scroll down, so we have a form available here. Okay. So whenever someone fill up this name section, email, and send a message using this submit button, we want to track this using the button click event and send it to our GA4 event. Okay. Perfect. So let's do that. So this is our GA4 property, and we have already created tag manager account and set up the page view event and Google tag for GA4. Okay, perfect. So first of all, let's go to the variable section. So let's enable some built-in variables. Okay. So I'm in the built-in variable section. So I'll click on configure. Okay. Then in the click section, we have some of the built-in variables like click element, click class, click ID, click target, click URL, and click text. Okay, perfect. Then we'll go to the trigger section. We'll be creating a trigger based on all element. Okay, perfect. So let's save this and name it as all element. If you want, you can name it accordingly. Okay, so I'll go to the text section and I'm gonna click on the preview. Okay. Then I need to provide my website URL, which are already there. So I'm gonna click on connect. So let's navigate to the contact page and let's scroll down and fill up my name, email, for example, test@gmail.com, and messages test, and I'm gonna click on this submit button and I'll go to the tag assistant. Then you can see we have the click event available here. So I'm gonna go to the variable section. So we have click class, click element, click, we don't have any click ID. We have click text. Okay. So you can trigger it using either click class or click text. So in this instance, I'm gonna use click text. Okay. Perfect. So let's go to the trigger section. So I'm in the trigger section. I'm gonna be creating a new trigger. Okay. So trigger name would be click text submit trigger. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements. So I'm gonna be choosing all element, some clicks, then click text either contains or equals. So I'm gonna keep it as contains submit. Okay, or I can use equals. Perfect. I'll click on save. Then let's go to the tag section. So I'll be creating a tag. So I'm gonna click on new and name this tag as GA4 event play text submit. Okay. So I'll choose tag configuration, Google Analytics for GA4 event. So I have already created measurement ID. So I'll be using this one, GA4 measurement ID, and the event name would be click text click underscore text underscore submit. Okay, perfect. And in the event parameter section, I want to pass the event parameter as click underscore text, and as the value I'll be passing the dynamic value. Okay, so for the time being, I want to pass only this parameter. If you want to send click URL and some additional parameters, then you can also do that. Okay, so as the triggering, I'll be using click text submit trigger. Okay, and I'll click on save. So let's see whether it works or not. So I'm gonna see it from the analytics section as well. So I'll go to the debug section. Okay, perfect. So we're in the tag manager. So let's click on the preview section for seeing it. Again, I need to provide the website URL and I'm gonna click on connect. Then we'll click on this contact form. I'll be entering my name, email, test, and the gmail.com, messages, paste, and I'm gonna click on this submit button. Let's go to the tag assistant and see, you can see over here GA4 event click text submit. So let's go to the analytics. Just wait a little bit. So you can see over here click text submit. This event has fired. Okay. So if I try to see the parameter, then you can see click text equals submit. So this is how you can send GA4 button click event using Google Tag Manager. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. After making these changes, you can submit the changes, because if you don't submit the changes, it will not be live on your website. Okay. So after debugging, please submit the changes. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.